Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to free up storage in Google Photos step by step. If your Google account is running out of storage, don't worry. Google Photos provides several easy ways to free up space by removing items you no longer need. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos homepage, click the Settings icon and open Manage Storage. Here, you can see how much of your Google storage is currently being used. Google may also show suggestions for freeing up space, such as large photos, large videos, blurry images, or other items you may no longer need. Review these items carefully before deleting anything. When you find photos or videos you don't want to keep, select them and click the Delete button. The deleted items will be moved to the trash, where they remain for a limited time before being permanently removed. If you're sure you no longer need those files, open the trash and permanently delete them to free up your storage sooner. After that, return to your storage page to check your available space. Depending on what you removed, you should see more free storage available. Regularly cleaning up unnecessary photos and videos is a great way to keep your Google account organized and make room for new memories. And that's how you can easily free up storage in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.